Hello, this is Emily Faust with Premier Home Inspection. We at Premier are grateful for your involvement and investment in our business. We seek to utilize social media in a way that actively engages with our community of homeowners and real estate industry professionals. Unfortunately, Facebook's recent algorithm change now limits your ability to view our posts on your timeline. Since we value community, education, and involvement, this poses a problem. In an effort to solve this problem, this short video will show you how to see first what we post so you stay informed and involved in the Premier Home Inspection community. Let's get started. First, you'll open your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top of the window, enter our Facebook address, www.facebook.com/Premier Inspection TN. Then click Enter. The Premier Home Inspection business page will load momentarily. Once the page loads, you should see a large photo spanning the top of the page called a cover photo. To the bottom left corner of this cover photo, you should see a few button choices. First, make certain you've liked our page by clicking the Like button. Next, hover your mouse over the second button, which should say Following. Once your mouse hovers over this button, you should see multiple options from which to choose. The option you want to choose is the See First option. Click it. Once the See First option is selected, Premier Home Inspection's posts should now be visible in your newsfeed, and you no longer have to worry about missing out.